Most tap water is swarmed with microbes, bacteria, and viruses, which make it less safe to drink. To ensure bacteria-free water, it needs to be purified. Introducing UVBRITE, the self-cleaning water bottle that uses UVC light to kill bacteria and viruses anytime, anywhere. Simply fill your UVBRITE with water, press the button, and UVBRITE will eradicate harmful viruses, bacteria, and microbes. The UVC light also keeps your water bottle clean and free from the nasty odor that normal bottles develop over time. UVBRITE can purify over 29,000 gallons of water, which is more than you'll drink for the rest of your life. Thanks to the double-walled stainless steel construction, liquids are kept hot or cold for up to 12 hours. Over 140,000 people are already using UVBRITE to enjoy pure water.
Never need to use another bottle to drink water again.
This is the real deal. You gotta check out UVBRITE.
This UV technology has been tested and proven. They use it in hospitals, dental offices. They even use it on the International Space Station. I love having the peace of mind that I can take this little guy anywhere and have 100% pure drinking water.
UVBRITE keeps your water bottle and the water in it free from germs. Get UVBRITE today and start enjoying pure, safe water.
Germs are a problem, so that's why I got the UVBRITE self-cleaning water bottle.
The typical water bottle has 10 billion germs. Like, ew.
I take my water bottle pretty much anywhere I go, but no matter how much I clean it over time, it starts to get kind of that mildewy funk that I just can't get rid of.
So I finally found UVBRITE.
It is the most advanced self-cleaning water bottle on the market. It has this little UV light, and it actually doesn't just purify the water inside of it, it actually purifies the bottle itself.
It kills 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, fungi, and more. All you gotta do is press this button.
I'm telling you, it's so easy. All you do is fill it with water, press the button, and your water is being purified. How cool is that?
It's the way that I can still enjoy nature. I just bring this with me. Total game changer.
Plus, it keeps my water really cold. I can put ice in it in the morning and it lasts all day.
So if you want peace of mind knowing that your water is 100% safe to drink, check out UVBRITE.
Did you know that the average water bottle can have up to 10 billion germs in it that could be dangerous and cause you to get sick? This is the UVBRITE, and it purifies water anytime, anywhere. It kills 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and microbes. I take my water bottle pretty much anywhere I go, but no matter how much I clean it over time, it starts to get kind of that mildewy funk that I just can't get rid of, so I know it's not really clean. UVBRITE solves that problem. It's really easy to use with just one button. All you have to do is fill up the water bottle with any clear water source and press the button. It purifies the water and ensures it's 100% safe for drinking. Plus, it keeps my water really cold. I can put ice in it in the morning and it lasts all day. This works so well. I take it everywhere. I'm never going back to a regular water bottle. If you want your water to be safe and free of germs, get yourself a UVBRITE. You don't want to miss out. They're selling out everywhere. Click the link to learn more.
Drinking unpurified water from the tap can make you sick. Most drinking water fountains that you can find anywhere, like these, have a ton of bacteria and fungi and gross germs that you don't want to drink. So I looked for a filtration system, and I was really shocked that there was nothing that, one, would actually filter out the germs, and two, nothing I could take with me. It was always a filter that I had to leave at home. So I finally found UVBRITE. It is a water filtration system on a water bottle that kills 99% of microbes, bacteria, viruses, protozoans, making it safe to drink. I love having the peace of mind that I can take this little guy anywhere and have 100% pure drinking water. I can use any source, a water fountain, tap water, and have it purified in minutes. It's so cool because I could even take this to a stream or river and purify the water. Okay, check this out, you guys. This UV technology has been tested and proven. They use it in hospitals, dental offices. They even use it on the International Space Station. I love knowing that no matter where I am, whether it's the gym, a restaurant, or even on a hiking trail, I always have access to clean, safe drinking water. So if you want peace of mind knowing that your water is 100% safe to drink, check out UVBRITE.